We're back to give you the legal edge. Before starting their morning commute, nobody likely looks forward to spending time scraping snow and ice off of their car first. But as local attorney Brian Waldman explains, it's a good idea if you don't want to face legal consequences.
The Michigan Vehicle Code has plenty of provisions which, when read together, make it clear that people really need to do a thorough job of cleaning their car from all snow, slush, ice, frost. For example, there's a provision that says that you're not allowed to operate your vehicle if there's anything that obstructs your vision. There's a provision that says that you're not allowed to drive your vehicle unless the headlights, taillights, and turn signals are emitting the right amount of light, and they can't emit the right amount of light if they're covered with snow or slush. There's a provision that says that you can't allow snow, ice, slush to fall from your vehicle in a way that it impairs the vision of another vehicle. So you have to make sure that there's not snow on top of your vehicle that when you drive down the road is then going to end up on someone else's windshield. In fact, the law says you're not even allowed to deposit snow onto the highway. And then, of course, there's a provision that says that you can't obscure your license plate or your registration. Now, if you violate any of those laws, it's going to be a civil infraction with a fine and potentially points on your driver's record with the Secretary of State. And if you get in a collision and cause an injury to someone, there's a civil lawsuit. If you violated any provision of the Motor Vehicle Code, there's a presumption that you were at fault for the collision. So very important, even though it's cold, take the time to clean all the snow, slush, ice, frost from your vehicle before you head down the roadway.